guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Smart Study. So today we are going to discuss about the heart and the route of blood inside the heart के flowchart के बारे में. So before starting the video, I would request you all guys to please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay, if you like this video, so let's start. First of all, heart. Heart is a muscular organ inside a human body and it is a blood pumping organ. It is having 4 chambers. Left, this is the left side, this is the right side. Left atrium, left ventricle, right atrium and right ventricle, and between them there is a dividing wall known as septum. It prevents the oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood from mixing with each other. Okay, so let's start the flow chart. Okay, that how the blood is traveling inside the heart and the full process. First of all, this is the lungs. Okay, this is the heart and these are the body organs. So first of all, the oxygen rich blood. First of all, oxygen. When the human being is inhaling the oxygen, then it enters the lungs. Okay, then it enters the human blood and it is mixing with the blood. Then it becomes the oxygenated blood. So first of all, the pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein delivers the oxygenated blood from the lungs to the left atrium of the heart. This is the first step. Okay, then after that, from the left atrium, oxygenated blood travels inside the left ventricle through the valves. There are the valves which are present inside the heart to prevent the backflow of the blood. See, you can see these are present to prevent the backflow of the blood inside the human heart. Okay, so this is the second step when it enters the left ventricle. Then from the left ventricle, oxygenated blood enters the body organs with the help of aorta, which is the main artery. Okay, see, first of all it goes through the left atrium, then left ventricle, and then it goes to the aorta. Then through the aorta it goes to the body organs. Now the cells of the human body takes up the O2 which is present in the oxygenated blood, and then they give up the CO2. Okay, they give up the CO2 in the blood. Now the blood becomes deoxygenated. So the deoxygenated blood travels from the body organ to the right side, to the right atrium. Okay, through with the help of main vein, vena cava. This is the fourth step. Now when it enters in the right atrium, then it goes to the right ventricle. This is the fifth step. Now from the right ventricle, it goes to the lungs. The deoxygenated blood goes to the lungs with the help of pulmonary artery. Okay, because now the blood is deoxygenated and for its purification it goes to the lungs. This is the last step in this route of blood inside the heart one flow chart. Okay, so the left side is dealing with the oxygenated blood and the right side is dealing with the deoxygenated blood. And in the exam, it's a very common question that they are asking that what is the difference between pulmonary vein and pulmonary artery. So you must know that pulmonary vein is a kind of vein which delivers the oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart left side to the left atrium, and the pulmonary artery delivers the deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle to the lungs. Okay guys, so this was the whole process, and this was the end of our video. So if you have any kind of query, please ask in the comment section. Till then, okay, bye bye and take care.